Okay, hi, my name is Ravin Kumar. So today I'll discuss about my IDP project, which is development of energy optimization using system using LD2410C mmWave radar for Lexus Hibiscus protection. So basically, how this LD2410C works is it will send a signal. It will send a signal. Signals achieve like wait, okay. So as if like wave, like radar wave. So in between that, it can can detect anything is moving around or uh, and even micro motion. It's got two sensors like which two way of detection. It one is macro motion, which is walking or swinging arms or doing anything that movement related. And then the second is micro motion, which is breathing or typing or something that minimal movement, which is as a human I mean not to say human, at say if like infrared sensor or anything can't detect if it's a micro motion. But this LD2410C can detect the micro motion. But it has limitation too. So let me explain. So LD2410C, let's say if I put in in the ceiling, the cover radius are very, how to say, has a many blind spot rather than putting in a wall mounted. If wall mounted, it can roughly covers the whole areas. So the better it is for the wall mounted. And when you travel from the wall mounted, it can travel up to 5 meter. That's the max range lah. So usually the room won't be that 5 meter big size. So should be fine if we counts by a room and everything. But if you count by ceiling, I don't think it really works lah, because ceiling is not very high from the ground, and it will only like make things very narrow. So once the wall mounted done, it will detect the micro motion. So micro motion and macro motion. So let's talk about the Lexus Hibiscus. Why I choose this? Because it separate. So this the executive. So I have the imperial suit, and then this is the, I think the basic suit. Basic one is this one. So let me explain about the imperial suit lah. So here the bedroom one, because I don't get the dimension, but I assume this is in between 5 meter. In between 5 meter. So if I put one here, one here, one here, it's good enough, because usually the aircon will be near the dining here, in the bedroom. So three is more than enough, and since it can cover up to 5 meters, so it can covers one room itself. So once it detect or so on, the it has 50. I think I'll put about 15 minutes, 15 minutes of interval. So every 15 minutes it will check whether got human or not. Once if got human, then the current will be still on. If let's say doesn't detect a human, that part of MCB will be cut off, because I will connect to ESP32. So everything will be Wi-Fi link, right? ESP32 by Wi-Fi link, and then the MCB will be cut off lah. Since each room, if no one in that room or this room or the whole suit itself, no one, everything will be shut down. Since all three is connected to one ESP32, so it should be, so it will detect like which sensor is which, and then you can detect itself. So this is basically my idea, and think that's about it. And then let's say for the normal suit, I will only put one in the bedroom, Bath and balcony, it's I don't think so, because usually if no one in the bed, uh, it's I assume there is no one in. Not to say I assume, but uh, I think, yeah, one in the bed, because only aircon will be here. So the others steam. Maybe one more here because got steam room. So one and two. So in the pool area and then bedroom. Think that's all from me. So thank you. This is my idea. So thank you.